Hi there, welcome to the Contabo channel. My name is Jairo and today we'll explore how to set up and use Contabo Object Storage, a powerful scalable solution for storing unstructured data like backups, images, videos, and large files. It's designed for anyone who values secure, affordable storage with seamless API access. Let's dive in. Unlike traditional file systems that use folders and directories, Object Storage manages data as a self-contained unit called objects. Each object has three components. First, your data, your file images, videos, or backups. Second, your metadata, that is the information about the data like its size or creation date. And lastly, a unique identifier, a specific ID that makes locating and retrieving objects quick and efficient. This makes object storage perfect for handling large volumes of data, especially when scalability and reliability are important. Now, let's talk about why Contabo Object Storage stands out. Our object storage is among the most affordable in the market, with a simple pay-as-you-go model. You only pay for what you use, making it budget-friendly for projects of any size. Contabo services are built on German-engineered reliability with built-in DDoS protection, data redundancy, and compliance with strict European regulations. Our object storage is fully compatible with the S3 API, so you can integrate it effortlessly with popular tools and applications. It is scalable and performs. Whether you need to store a few gigabytes or up to 5 terabytes, Contabo scales with you. No need for costly hardware upgrades. Let me walk you through setting up Contabo Object Storage. First, create an account. Visit contabo.com and sign up. Access the dashboard, log in and navigate to the Object Storage section. Choose the object storage plan that fits your needs. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to get started. Click on Create Bucket and name it. Choose a region like Germany for optimal performance and compliance. And then upload your data. Drag and drop your backups, images, or videos into the bucket. Use API keys for programmatic uploads if you're automating tasks. Finally, set permissions. Decide whether to keep your data private or make it publicly accessible depending on your use case. It's important to know the default limits of Contabo Object Storage, which ensure fair and optimal performance for all users. Files can be up to 5 terabytes in size. Each customer can store up to 3 million objects, but this can be increased by request. The system supports up to 250 API requests per second, and the default is 10 megabytes per second, though this depends on your internet connection and other factors. Customers can create up to 100 buckets. If you change public objects to private, they may remain publicly accessible for up to an hour due to the caching. These limits are in place to maintain high performance and fairness for all customers. Object storage has several advantages over traditional on-premises or file-based storage systems. You save costs because there are no upfront hardware costs or ongoing maintenance expenses. It is easily scalable since it allows you to increase storage capacity as your data grows without the need for downtime. With Contabo's built-in redundancy, your data is reliably protected and always accessible. These features make object storage a fantastic choice for storing backups, archiving files, or managing multimedia. Here are some of the ways you can use Contabo Object Storage. Safely store data backups for your projects or servers. Organize and retrieve large media, libraries or images or audio files. Developers can programmatically access and manage data using our S3 compatible API. These use cases make Contabo Object Storage versatile and reliable for both individuals and businesses. So in summary, Contabo Object Storage combines unbeatable pricing, German security, and seamless scalability. Whether you're backing up critical data, managing media files, or integrating storage into your applications, Contabo provides you the tools you need to succeed. Visit contabo.com today and start your journey with the object storage. Simple, reliable, and affordable. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo guides, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.